Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into.
Welcome to our video on crafting compelling product descriptions in WordPress. In today's digital age, it's essential to capture your audience's attention and persuade them to make a purchase. A well-crafted product description can be the difference between a sale and a lost opportunity. Let's dive into some tips to help you master the art of writing captivating descriptions. First, know your audience. Understand their needs, desires, and pain points. This will allow you to create descriptions that resonate with them and address their concerns. Next, focus on the benefits. Highlight how your product solves a problem or enhances their lives. Use persuasive language that paints a vivid picture in their minds. Make sure to be specific and accurate while describing your product's features. Include key details such as dimensions, materials used, and any unique selling points. This builds trust and credibility with your customers. It's important to strike a balance between being informative and engaging. Use language that is easy to understand and employ storytelling techniques to capture your audience's imagination. Don't forget about search engine optimization. Incorporate relevant keywords in your product descriptions to improve your search rankings and attract organic traffic. Lastly, proofread and edit your descriptions before publishing. Ensure they are free from grammatical errors, and test different versions to see which ones perform best. Crafting compelling product descriptions takes time and practice. By implementing these strategies in WordPress, you'll be on your way to creating enticing copy that drives sales.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you for watching.